Buenos días, estudiantes. Me llamo señora L y hoy vamos a practicar con los colores. Today, we are going to practice with the colors. And my name is Senora L. So these are the colors that we will be using today. And we are going to be making a color wheel and also un arco iris, focusing on the primary, secondary, and complementary colors with an arco iris, or a rainbow. But first off, as we create our color wheel, we're going to begin with, so if I can get it out of there, negro. Now, of course, in color theory, negro is both the combination of all colors and also the absence of all colors. So it's a great place to start. So we'll take a teeny tiny bit of paint and begin en el centro, in the center. And that's with our negro. And then next, we're going to be looking at our first primary color, rojo. Repite, rojo. Now I don't need a lot of paint, just a little bit. And with this, we will begin our color wheel. Con un punto, with a little point right there. And as we write rojo, R-O-J-O. Next up, for our secondary color, is going to be amarillo. Yet again, just un poquito of the paint. And in our color wheel, with our primary colors, we're actually going to make a triangulo, or a triangle. So with amarillo, repite, amarillo. Amarillo. And our tercer color, our third primary color, is going to be azul. And our color wheel, azul, will complete our initial triangulo, or triangle. Azul. And I never realized how hard it is to write with paint until now. So here are our primary colors, rojo, azul, y amarillo. And they make, in our color wheel and our círculo, a triangle. But now what happens when we combine these colors together? Por ejemplo, if we look at el combinación, or la combinación, de rojo y amarillo. So if I take a little bit of paint from each, and I mix them together, what color do you think we might make? In Spanish, it's actually a very long word. So I'm going to say it a few times just so we can practice. But it is ANARANJADO. So that is ANARANJADO, or orange. I apologize, I am left-handed, and so I'm completely blocking the word right now, but hey, it happens. Anaranjado. That is the mix, or the secondary color made when we combine the primary colors rojo y amarillo. Next up if we, of course I need a little bit more paint here, but if we want to combine amarillo y azul, well, that's going to make our secondary color. And of course, it all depends on how much of each primary color we use. If we were to use lots of azul and only un poquito de amarillo, well, that would change our point. But right now we're in el centro. And we make verde, green, mi color favorito. And there's our verde. Next, we're going to look at la combinación, excuse me, entre rojo y azul. The combination of rojo and azul, or red and blue, together. So I'm going to take my red, if I can actually get it on the paintbrush, and I'll take my blue and mix them together. And what's great is you can do mixing colors with anything, not just paint. It can be crayons, chalk, watercolors, pencils, all sorts of cool stuff. So, and of course this is the actual paint itself. Between rojo y azul, and it is called morado. Repite, morado, morado. And just like I said before, morado you can make in different hues or different darknesses or lightnesses, depending on what colors, what shades of rojo or azul you use to make it. Same with anaranjado y verde. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. If you would like to see more of our Spanish educational content, please feel free to check here, or subscribe below here. Gracias and hasta luego.